Hi, I'm Brandon from Bright Arrows Ranch, and today's episode is part 3 of what we do on our farm. At Bright Arrows Ranch, one of the things we do is we raise pigs. These two breeds that you see in this video are Cooney and Idaho pasture pig. They're both a pasture pig type where they can graze grass. They can also root and grub for their food source. Very good at that. And we raise our pigs in the woods. We have mobile pens that we take down and move around to give them fresh access to new roots and new areas to root at. We do supplement their diet with grain as well as table scraps and slop and other byproducts left from the farm. They love the soured milk from the cow that's left over and all the byproducts from making cheese and yogurt and that kind of thing. So it's a good way to let the farm regenerate the farm. With these pigs, we raise them to sell the young. We breed them. One of the sources of revenue for our farm is by selling livestock, and so that's one of the purposes of these two heritage breeds. I do want to mention we do raise meat hogs. In the past, Duroc, Poland China, as well as red wattlers. Most recently, we raised red wattlers for processing, and they are now in our freezer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Brandon from Bright Arrows Ranch. Thanks for watching.